All right, guys, we are at the former house of Dave Ramsey, 15,000 square feet. We got an infinity pool waterfall. We're doing some repairs on. We're gonna show you guys how you know how to fix this stuff when there's mess ups, when problems evolve, when products fail. You have to know how to repair the product you are installing, and that's what we are going to show you today. Today we are repairing our concrete overlay. So we've got some water intrusions. We're going to remove that, get this repaired up with a new design that will still complement, but will hold up and be an easy fix if there's ever any more problems. Now this has been done over 2 years ago with zero maintenance, constant water flowing over it. So this has actually held up really well, especially in comparison to the tile and the stone that they had before. But we want to make sure we get it to where it can last a lot longer. We have some efflorescence problems that are showing through. This is a very easy fix if you get on it fast enough. Here we're applying the same sealer that we put on this product. And as you can see here, a little bit of elbow grease and we can get it out. Here we are applying our patcher to this infinity edge. We are going to be doing a new design, adding some new colors that will satisfy the client to add more of an infinity edge look and ensure the longevity of this project. All right, so here we want to apply this patcher a little bit thicker than we actually need it, so we can have a little bit extra to trowel our mud around, get the correct profile we are looking for. It's patching very well. You want to make sure that your patcher is not too wet to where it will stick and hold its position, but also you want to make sure that you keep an eye on any of your material that's falling or not going where you would like it, because this stuff dries very fast. The dry time on this stuff is about 15 minutes. This is a 5,000 PSI concrete patcher, rapid set. This will allow for a strong product to ensure our concrete overlay. Yeah. Going up top, get it just right. Now we are doing some detail work, adding a little bit of grit so our overlay will bond properly. But ultimately, while the concrete is still hardening up, we don't want to go ahead and get everything nice and smooth so that we don't have to spend more time sanding and grinding the design down to where it's safe for a pool environment. I'm also using this time to shape the concrete to make sure the surface is good and level, good and flat. And here we got a little spot. Looks like we could use a little extra. And just like that, it's caught up. We are patching the grout line that was here before. This will also help to keep any water intrusion. And now that the bottom is setting up and getting hard, this will patch up and it won't fall off. So you want to start at the bottom and work your way up. And we won't have to grind this if we time it perfectly. We want to put this on, let it harden up. By the time we're at the end of patching everything, we should be able to come to the beginning and start rubbing everything down to make sure it's smooth and uniform with the rest of the material. Ethan is here. He is blending in the blend line to make sure that where the new patch meets with the old design makes for a nice seamless look. Now I'm applying a nice circular motion that would imitate a trowel machine. This will help to make sure we close all the pores and make everything look really nice and clean here. Now here, as you see, wax on, wax off.
Wax on, wax off. Don't forget to breathe, very important.
So now we're applying our overlay. This is going to give us a white surface that we can then control with our color to apply the stain as we desire. And my tape line is just to give me a guideline. However, we still need to make sure that we spray this down before it dries to make sure we got less to clean up. Cleanliness is next to godliness.
Well, cleaning up the mess we made to ensure that our customer has a nice clean job when we're done.
Now we are going to apply our solid color stain and sealer on the tile design that we have here at the top of the infinity wall edge. And then we're going to go with a nice moon mist color that will blend with the pool and that will give more of an infinity edge look. So this tile design that you see here that is individually stained to match the tile that's on the pool will be gone and it'll look like a nice seamless edge. Let's get started. For this, we are using the Sherwin-Williams Heavy Shield. It's a solid color stain and seal. And this color here is Moon Mist, which is a light shade of blue that should go great with the rest of the pool.
If you'd like to learn how we did this job and many others, please visit us at definitionofconcrete.com/training and get signed up for our next session.